I'm so excited to share with you all of my party decorations that I have been collecting and creating, customizing myself. They're actually from this website called Zazzle, which is a marketplace where you can get really creative for any party you are planning, from a wedding to a birthday to a baby shower or sprinkle. You can browse thousands of products created by their community of independent designers. All the designs are customizable. You can create your own from scratch or use one that's already created and then just customize it to fit your needs. Zazzle can help your event truly come to life with personalized touches throughout, everything from your invites to your whole decor for your party, as well as your party favors. And I got so creative, and I by no means, even though my job is online, I by no means am a designer, and the site, although there's so many options, so it's a little bit overwhelming at first when you really start to create your custom designs or use the templates that are there for you. I went a little crazy with the details as I was designing all of my decor and party favors, and I'm in love with how everything turned out. Like, it's just gonna give that personal touch to our baby sprinkle that I wouldn't be able to get at just like a regular party store. So everything from your paper plates to your napkins, I put like personalized text on them. Oh baby, beautiful invitations. I did a batch of digital ones which I sent out via text, and then I also did some hard copy ones just to give to some people as a more like personal touch, and also I just thought they were so cute. Okay, I'm gonna blur out the information because I don't want to be like with the character from Home where he accidentally invites the whole universe to his party. I mean, that would be fun to have you guys all over, but we don't have the space. These are the invites. How stinking cute are they? And then on the back, I did a photo of us that we did recently with the baby in my belly. And then you also get the envelopes, and you can customize everything from the colors, the text. I also did like the little scalloped edges, which I thought was a really cute option. Even the type of paper, like the options are endless, and you can just get sucked into this hole of designing and decorating. The quality is insane. I was so impressed. I made a bunch of these signs that are actually a stand. So I'm gonna put these in like the food section. I went on Pinterest to get a bunch of ideas for things I wanted them to say. So this one says, "Babies are sweet, please take a treat." And I customized everything, including this like little image that you can easily search for on their website. And the sprinkles already came with the template, and then I just changed like the text and the font that I wanted for this. I customized little balloons and large balloons that we're gonna have at the party. This one's like a really big one, it's folded. My sister said it was a little overkill, but I disagree. If you can customize, like customize. I made my own confetti, guys. Confetti, everything from the colors to the font to the little graphics on them. There's a picture of us on it. Stop, I know, stop. It's little touches like this that at a party, I feel like people are gonna be like, is that you guys? And I'm gonna be like, yes it is. I am that extra. Guys, I had too much fun. I'm giving away too many sneak peeks. If you are a guest coming to my baby sprinkle, look away, look away. This is the party favor that we're doing. And there were so many options, and I saw this idea online where it was you add like either a little bottle of shower gel. I'm actually gonna do little soaps, and I have these little signs that I'm gonna attach to each one that says, they're so tiny, so I'll put a close up, "From our shower to yours," and has little bubbles that I put, and I like, these are the details I'm talking about. Like, you can go really specific. I did a scalloped edge, and then also it even comes with some jute ties that you can tie onto your product that you're gonna attach it to. I also created a banner that is gonna go up on the wall, which I love because I could create exactly what I want it to look like, the colors and everything, and also what I wanted it to say. It was so easy to design, and it also comes with a string to hang it up, which I love. I'm gonna have all of the products that I picked up for our baby sprinkle linked down below in the info box if you guys want to check that out if you're planning your own party this summer or this year. It's never too early to start planning, because I started planning a couple of weeks ago, and now I'm already like, the party is less than a month away and I still have so much to do. But it's really nice to know that like the decor stuff, which is the part I kind of care most about, is already done and checked off. Thanks again to Zazzle for sponsoring this video, and check out the info box to learn more.